Today, we're turning a simple crochet piece into this beautiful 3D sunflower wind spinner. It curls into shape like magic, with sunny colors and a little sunflower charm. I'm using cotton yarn and a 2.5mm hook. Let's start with the first chain. To begin, make a slip knot, then chain as long as you'd like your wind spinner to be. For this wind spinner, 35 to 40 centimeters is ideal, about 14 to 16 inches. For mine, I'm going to chain 80. After you have 80 chains, start in the third chain from your hook and work 1/2 double crochet into each chain across. At the end of the row, chain 1, cut your yarn, and continue from the beginning with color 2. Join color 2 to the first half double crochet. Now chain 5. Then work 1 double crochet into that same stitch. Across the row, make V-stitches into the top of each stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Repeat to the end. Take your time here and keep those V-stitches nice and even. This row helps the wind spinner curl beautifully later. After the last V-stitch, chain 1 and cut your yarn. Then go back to the beginning with color 3. Join your yarn right in the center of the first V-stitch. Chain 3. Then work 2 double crochets into that same space. This starts the fuller sunflower row, so keep your stitches relaxed. For row 3, work 3 double crochets into the center of each V-stitch and continue across. I'm skipping the chains to keep the texture full. If it feels too tight, chain 1 between the groups. When you reach the end, work 3 double crochets into the last V-stitch as well. Chain 1, cut your yarn, and continue from the beginning with color 4. Join your yarn to the top of the beginning chain. Chain 2. Into that same stitch, work 3 double crochets. This row adds more fullness, which helps the finished piece twist into a pretty spiral. Continue across the row, working 4 double crochets into each space between the groups. Repeat this all the way across. As you work, you'll see the piece getting fuller and more ruffled. That's exactly what we want for the spinner shape. For these first 4 rows, I used a different color for each row, so you can see the construction more clearly. Off camera, I made the same pattern again, using the actual sunflower colors. For the sunflower version, row 1 is dark brown, row 2 is mustard, and rows 3 and 4 are yellow. At the end of row 4, work 3 double crochets into the last double crochet below. Now the sunflower body is ready, and the next row will give it that fresh green edge. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Then we'll go back to the beginning and continue with green. Join the green yarn to the top of the beginning chain. Chain 1. Work 1/2 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2. Into that same stitch, work 1/2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet. This little point gives the edge that soft leafy look around the sunflower. Now work another single crochet into the top of the third double crochet. Insert your hook into the gap between the 2 groups. Work 2 single crochets. 1 half double crochet, chain 2. In the same gap, work 1 half double crochet, then 2 single crochets. This is the repeat for the green edge. It gives us that small pointed leaf shape all around the spinner. Work a single crochet into the top of the third double crochet. Move to the next group. For the next group, repeat the same shape. 2 single crochets, 1 half double crochet, chain 2, 1 half double crochet, and 2 single crochets. Keep those little points facing outward. Once the piece curls, this green edge will frame the sunflower beautifully. Then, work another single crochet into the top of the third double crochet. Move to the next group and repeat to the end of the row. Keep repeating the green edge slowly. Once the repeat clicks, this row goes smoothly. You can save this part and come back while you crochet. At the end, work 1 single crochet into the last double crochet. Then chain 1 and cut your yarn. Weave this yarn tail through the stitches on the backside as neatly as you can. Now use the color from the first row to make the hanging loop. I'll make a simple chain loop. Join your yarn through the brown chain and make 25 to 30 chains for the hanging loop. You can adjust the loop length depending on where you want to hang your wind spinner, on a porch, balcony, window, or craft display. For mine, I made 25 chains. Slip stitch into chain 12 or 13 to close the loop. Make 1 more slip stitch into the next chain, then cut your yarn. Now weave this tail through the chains to hide it neatly. You can decorate the bottom with any charm, bead, or small ornament you like. For mine, I'm using a little sunflower motif made with brown yarn, plus these beads for a pretty hanging detail. I showed how to make this sunflower in my previous flower bouquet tutorial. I'll link that sunflower tutorial for you in the description. The beads and sunflower charm are attached at the bottom. For the detailed bead and charm attachment, you can watch my Evil Eye Wind Spinner tutorial. Now, starting at the hanging loop, gently twist the wind spinner around itself. This is the magic moment. The flat crochet piece starts turning into a beautiful 3D sunflower spinner. After shaping the wind spinner, you can open it gently like this. And there it is, a beautiful sunflower wind spinner with such a sweet handmade look. That's it for today's sunflower wind spinner. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Before you go, if you enjoyed this project, please subscribe. Tell me where you'd hang your sunflower spinner. Take care.